Hi, my name is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers and the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group. This is video 5 in our series Memories of the Meadow 2, since I've already made a Memories of the Meadow project, and that was last July, so I'm revisiting the kit as my design team project for Collage Type and Teddy Treasure Shop. It started out as my design team project for Collage Type, but then I decided to go ahead and use Memories of the Meadow again, and that's a collaboration between Teddy Treasure Shop and Collage Type. So you can get half of the kit at the Teddy Treasure Shop, and then you can get the other half at Collage Type's Etsy shop. Now, this particular folio is, let me turn this around, is 11 3/8 inches tall. So I'm going to try to keep it in frame. I've got a piece of tape right here, and the top of the board is going to be the top, but it barely fits in there because it's very, very tall. And the cover of the folio, there's a paper lace behind here. It's kind of hard to see on camera. And then we have the closure with the brad. And then down here we have some die cut. This is 2 cuts, die cuts. And then the word meadow for Memories in the Meadow. Okay, and then when you open it, this is a never-ending folio. Excuse my voice. And it goes all the way around one way and then all the way around the other way. So page 1 has another die cut, 2 of them at the top, also with the paper lace, and I colored it green, the green that I used on the border, which was, let's see, which was Rustic Wilderness, believe it or not. And down here is a tuck with a place for a card, which apparently I forgot to make. And on this side is a pocket, and the pocket has a super tall card in it that's the size of the, or the height of the papers in the page. I used the 11-inch side of 8.5 by 11 sheets. And on this card, on the back is a writing area. Most of the ones I've stenciled on, so I'll go back and stencil on this one. And on this one is a small pocket. Let me get a little piece of paper here. Is a small pocket looking for a little card, again, that I overlooked because it's such a small little pocket here, to put a little card in. And then we have a sticker butterfly and the paper. Can't believe I went through this and forgot the cards on page 1 and 2. Page 3 is a flip out. On the cover is a tuck for a card that I stenciled on. See, I remembered to stencil on this one. And then I stenciled on the back as well. They're both writing areas though. And down here is a little tiny pocket with a tag. Then you open this, flip out, and you have a writing area that I stenciled on and a little sticker butterfly. On this side is the long image and a small writing card with space on the back to write. The word pansy with some of that paper lace behind it, colored green. On this side is a tall writing area. You open it up and you can write on the back. And here's the image. The images are gorgeous, so a lot of them I didn't cover up. There's a little tiny pocket that's half of a circle here, and it's got a little teeny card in there. Then you turn the page, and in between here is a piece, or actually it's not in between. This whole page is a pocket, and there's a piece of stationery in here that I'm not going to pull out because, as you know, they never go back in when you're on camera. So this flips over, and here's the back cover. And I love the foxglove, that's why I put it on the back cover. And then it keeps going. And on this side, there's a pocket with a large writing card. You take this out, I've stenciled on it, and it's actually, I thought this was the trifold, but it's not. Oh, it's an envelope, I forgot. This is an envelope that I left open up here that you can put stuff in. Then here is a pocket that looks like a manila folder, one side of it. And I've got a decoration with a sticker butterfly, and I did remember to make the card that goes in here. This goes back in here. Then on this side is a belly band decorated with a card that goes behind. Let's see if I remember to stencil this one. No, and it's white. There's a couple of them that I made with the backing papers that are white that I'm going to replace with ones with writing areas on the back. But I was trying to use my offcuts. Oops. I was trying to use my offcuts to complete the pages. Then here, you know, I missed the writing card that goes in between. This is two folders glued together. On the other side in between is a pocket, and there's a writing card. On this side, there's 3 pockets. Here, 1, 2, 3. And some die cuts. A circle with the word Iris with the lace behind it. 2 little half circle pockets with tickets. Then on this page is a tuck with a sticker on it. And this is my trifold. It's decorated a little bit. This is the big picture. The big picture. The whole big picture. And you open the trifold and it's been stenciled all around. And there's the image on the, nope, there's a writing space. Writing space. I thought there was another image, but I guess there's not. There I go thinking again. And that goes in there. And then that brings you back around to the cover. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this flip through. And for Collage Type and Teddy Treasure Shop. And I will see you in the next video series, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.